It would be difficult to start talking about Hanwha without two words, trust and loyalty. These ideas have been the core values of Hanwha since its beginning, and they have acted as a compass throughout its decades. Founded in 1952, Hanwha began its business by manufacturing dynamite and other explosives during a time of national crisis. When the Korean War was coming to an end, leaving the nation in ruins, few companies were willing to take on the risks. To make explosives, precision is key, since everything must occur at an exact instant in an exact way, said Chung-hee Kim, founder of the Hanwha Group. For this kind of control, we must trust one another completely. This emphasis on teamwork and precision during Hanwha's earliest days allowed a strong and unique culture to develop and become forever embedded into our company's corporate DNA. During the following years of rapid growth, Hanwha expanded its business into various sectors and regions. Later, it was one of the few companies to survive the Asian economic crisis in 1997 and the global economic crisis in 2008. During good times and bad, the people of Hanwha stood behind our core values of trust and loyalty. Today, Hanwha is a world leader in solar energy and in construction. We are building an entire city, the largest project currently under construction in the Middle East by a South Korean company. It is also a major player in the global finance industry, continuously adapting to today's rapidly changing financial landscapes and providing financial solutions that give customers the freedom to pursue their dreams. Although many companies talk about the value of trust and loyalty, there's only a few that actually put those ideas into action. For Hanwha, value always comes first, before its business, since Hanwha is focused on how and why the company is walking this path. Hanwha has a solid reputation for keeping promises with partners and customers, for valuing long-term relationships, and for contributing to society. This is the spirit of Hanwha. My name is Eddie Jung, and I am the editor of Hanwha and Hanwha People, the corporate magazine of the Hanwha Group. Rather than talking about it, why don't you meet the actual people of Hanwha and see for yourself? Here, at one of South Korea's largest petrochemical facilities in the city of Yosu, are two people who have worked together side by side for over 20 years.
Nice to see you. Hi, guys.
Hi.
So great to see you again.
Yes.
I don't think you can underestimate the value of working together for 20 years the way you two have.
하나의 동료들 간에는 남다른 믿음이 있어요. 그 믿음이 서로를 융화시켰다고 생각합니다. 저희가 해온 일처럼요.
케미칼도 인공화학처럼 융합의 기술이거든요.
그 융합을 통해 산업의 기초를 다지는 새로운 기술이 탄생하게 되는 거죠. 한화가 규모의 경제를 실현하고 정유나 기초원료, 수지, 염소, 가성소다, 신소재 같은 여러 가지 화학 제품을 생산하는 것도 우호적인 노사관계에 신경 쓰는 것도 마찬가지 이유입니다. 그렇게 해야 안정적인 제품 공급을 할 수 있게 되니까요. 결국 사람들의 삶을 더 편하고 가치 있게 만들기 위해서입니다.
한화는 이러한 기초 소재를 바탕으로 다양한 첨단 소재 제품도 생산하고 있죠. 세계적 수준의 스트롱 라이트와 슈퍼 라이트 등 자동차 경량화 소재는 이미 세계적 자동차에 납품되고 있고 이러한 제품들은 전 세계로 공급되고 있습니다.
Petrochemicals are valuable not only to the industry.
It's an important business that raises the quality of life. I'm proud of the people of Hanwha, who lay the foundation for our lives and for industry. Here at Hanwha's Mechatronics Research Lab are a father, daughter, and son-in-law, a family of employees that crosses a generation. When we first met, there was just one person, and now there's three.
이렇게 대를 이어서 일을 하게 된다는 것은 그만큼 하고 있는 일이나 그 회사에 대한 신뢰가 깊다는 얘기죠.
맞습니다. 아버지가 하시는 일을 보면서 정밀기계 기술이 정말 중요한 기술이라는 것을 느꼈습니다. 사람이 할 수 없는 위험한 작업이나 고도의 정밀함을 요하는 기술을 대신 해주기도 하고요. 그러면서 산업의 경쟁력은 높아지고 인간의 삶은 더 편리해지겠죠. 이러한 기술이 계속해서 발전하면 상상 속에만 존재하던 세상을 현실에서 만나게 될 겁니다. 한화가 끊임없이 기술을 발전시키고 전자광학, 항공전자, 무인제어 등 독보적인 첨단 핵심 기술을 보유하는 것 또한 그 기술을 통해 미래를 한 걸음 더 앞당길 수 있는 가능성을 실현하고 있는 것이죠.
차세대 로봇 솔루션 개발을 통해 그 혁신적인 세상을 만들겠다는 목표 역시 그 사람들에게 보다 편리하고 안전한 세상을 제공하겠다는 우리 한화의 의지입니다.
Even today, Hanwha continues to advance its technology so everyone can enjoy a better life. Land that was dying from pollution and contamination has now been transformed into a sustainable energy facility, the Maywood Solar Farm.
Dr. Christoph, great to see you again.
Thank you, yeah.
Looks like you've taken a dying plot of land and given it a whole new life.
Well, we can't give up, can we? We need to protect the planet we are living in.
Solar energy is a sustainable solution that transforms the way people produce and use energy. We are in the business of using what the planet provides to its full potential. Hanwha is the world's leading producer of photovoltaics, with the world's largest in-house cell production capacity. We operate a strategically diversified manufacturing footprint that gives us a significant competitive advantage.
And it's not just cells. Hanwha is providing comprehensive solutions to cover the entire value chain from polysilicon to ingots, wafers, modules, and downstream businesses.
You're absolutely right. At the Technology Innovation Center in Germany,
we are constantly researching ways to produce state-of-the-art quality products, which go through rigorous quality controls to substantiate the reliability and efficiency. The global presence and trust that Hanwha Group has earned, its economies of scale, Hanwha Q-Cell's unrivaled technology and efficient operation, all helps Hanwha's solar energy business in Europe, in Asia, in America, and around the world stay intact and keep clients satisfied. We believe that solar energy is the best solution for several major problems facing our planet, such as climate change, energy depletion, and energy poverty. We are on a mission to make solar energy the most trustworthy source of sustainable energy in the world.
Solar power is more than just an energy solution. It's an endeavor that will preserve the Earth's environment for future generations. We're here at Vietnam's financial mecca, Ho Chi Minh City.
Hey man, can you take me to Hanwha Life Vietnam?
Hanwha's financial affiliates are placed all over Asia, demonstrating Korea's financial strengths.
Do you still value trust as highly as before?
Yeah, of course, because trust is the backbone of finance.
Not only is this a personal belief, but trust and loyalties is the corporate philosophy.
That Hanwha believes is utmost importance.
With that foundation of trust, Hanwha has grown to be a global financial business that boasts more than 100 billion US dollars in assets. Hanwha has a comprehensive financial network, including life insurance, general insurance, investments, asset management, and savings. We are now in Vietnam, China, Indonesia, and expanding into other Asian markets.
With all the knowledge that we have accumulated for more than 70 years in financial business in Korea,
We are looking to operate an even more secure, reliable financial system for the people around the world.
The trustworthiness of Hanwha. I can trust that Hanwha will make a richer and fuller tomorrow for its customers around the world. Bismillah, Iraq, known to many as the miracle in the desert. I remember once seeing a man so dedicated to his work, even in the scorching heat. We meet again.
Wow, the scale of this place is really amazing. Where did you find the strength to work in such difficult conditions?
Well, the amazing trust that we have with our clients and colleagues is what creates the miracle in the desert, as they say. There's no way to accomplish what we have with an individual skill alone. Trust is the bedrock of this tremendous undertaking. Building and construction, that's a business that helps create a new world. From successfully winning the contract and carrying on the work of building the world's biggest city development project in Bismillah, Iraq, to the Philippine Arena, the world's largest domed arena built with cutting-edge technology, and the construction of the largest precast concrete plant. Having worked in a broad range of overseas construction projects over the years, Hanwha has a deep pool of expertise. Hanwha will continue to make history by physically building a brighter future in every corner of the world.
Hanwha continues growth in overseas construction revenue that it achieved in the past 3 years. I'm eager to see Hanwha take even bigger strides as a global corporation. I'm about to meet two people who are at the forefront of Hanwha's services and leisure business. So nice to see you both again. You look fabulous, and of course, you always have a great smile to greet me with.
그럼요. 저희가 웃어야 고객들도 웃으시죠.
서비스 레저는 고객을 웃게 하는 사업이니까요.
고객들의 삶이 즐거워져야 우리도 고객도 같이 웃을 수 있다고 생각합니다. 그래서 저희는 고객의 삶을 더 풍요롭고 품격 있게 하는 다양한 사업을 전개하고 있어요. 한국의 트렌드를 리드하는 프리미엄 리테일러 갤러리아 백화점에서부터 서울 중심부에 위치한 럭셔리 부티크 호텔인 더 플라자, 12개의 리조트를 보유한 한국 최대의 콘도미니엄 체인, 아쿠아리움 그리고 골프장에 이르는 다양한 레저 사업까지 한국을 대표하는 레저 라이프스타일 기업이라고 할 만하죠.
제가 일하는 면세점 사업도 빼놓을 수 없죠. 한국의 대표적인 관광 명소인 서울과 제주에서 세계적 수준의 면세점을 운영하고 있습니다.
하나는 최고의 시설과 규모를 갖추고 세계 최고의 서비스 자세로 한국의 라이프 스타일을 이끌어가고 있습니다. 축적된 역량과 전문성을 바탕으로 중국 등 세계로 진출하고 있죠.
That's why they say Hanwha symbolizes the best of Korea's services and leisure industry. Both your smiles are world class. I hope you never lose them. Lastly, I'm meeting a man who started as a vendor and now he makes up a valuable part of Hanwha. Mr. Hong, your first contract with Hanwha was 50 years ago. Do you still remember?
그날이 하나와 한 가족이 된 날이니까 우리가 잊을 수가 없죠. 옛날과 비교하면 우리 회사가 많이 발전하고 성장했지.
You have. What does Hanwha mean to you?
함께 성장하는 한 식구 같은 존재죠. 저로부터 시작한 하나와의 인연이 제 아들로 이어지고 있습니다. 열심히 하니까 다 돌아오더라고요. 하나는 협력업체를 한 식구처럼 대해줍니다. 그러니 협력업체도 성장하고 하나도 성장하고 같이 성장하는 구조인 거죠. 하나의 제일 고마운 건 우리 같은 협력사를 믿어주는 겁니다. 파트너도 똑같은 하나 가족이라고 생각해 주는 거죠. 그러니 하나일이라면 가장 중요한 프로젝트로 생각합니다. 서로 믿음을 키운 결과가 아닐까요?
The thread that weaves through 60 plus years of Hanwha history is trust. Our partners are also our family. It's a sincere trust and loyalty you naturally sense in Hanwha. After having interviewed the people of Hanwha, I realized that today's Hanwha wasn't built by the strength of any one individual. The people of Hanwha are strengthened together by a bond of unwavering trust.
모든 만남과 모든 인연이 소중하고
and builds trust.
Success is sure to follow.
Hanwha and all its partners
함께 웃을 수 있는 미래.
우리 관계처럼 평생 함께하는 관계.
한화가 약속합니다.
The people I've met at Hanwha, then and now, show dedication and passion for their work, and a trust in each other that leads to trust from our customers. Your most trusted partner, Hanwha.